Hey YouTube, Silenced here with Airsoft Team OSMD, and today I have some gameplay footage where myself and Corey, a friend of mine, are actually guards. We're guarding a red container bin that's behind us, and our objective is to keep an eye out for enemy players in an attempt to radio a friendly force or a SWAT team that is on our side that is not in the general vicinity. So as soon as we spot enemies, what we'll do is Corey will run behind me, go inside the container you can see right there, and he's going to get the radio. Unfortunately, he doesn't know which frequency our teammates are on, so he's going to have to cycle through all the different radio frequencies until he finds them while we're taking fire, and hopefully we can hold out, and it's a whole lot of fun. At this point, I realize I need to move into the brush a little bit because we're right in the sunlight and targets are going to be coming in here any second. Corey's been radioing as many frequencies as he can to try and find the SWAT team, but even when he does make contact, it's still going to take a little bit for them to actually get up to us to help us. I pull out my pistol and wait for the targets to arrive. Corey.
We are both still alive. We have not engaged yet. They are in the crater field. Corey, you copy? Yeah, I got it.
Took two down.
Right.
At this point, I'm forced to come out into the light right next to where we're defending because my teammate Corey gets shot here and I'm the last one left, and the SWAT team is nowhere to be found.
All right, Corey.
No, I'm not.
Right now I'm completely surrounded, and my only teammate is dead, but the SWAT team is actually on its way. It's about to come in and save us because I get surrendered here as I get overrun.
Oh, you got me.
The funniest part about this game is actually the enemy that just killed me is the only enemy left. He doesn't know he's the only enemy left. He doesn't realize that I killed almost everyone on his team, and the only people around him are actually on my team.
That's game. We're the last one, right?